Hi, my name is Patrick Corder. I'm with MarineMax Stuart, and today I'll be showing you the beautiful 2023 175 Sportfish by Scout Boats. So the first thing you'll notice here on this boat in the bow area is a hard to come by for a 17-footer spacious anchor locker. This boat is pre-rigged for the trolling motor, some recessed cleats that you'll see throughout the boat, a place to install the bow light. We'll move it back. You have a spacious bow cushion here with storage underneath for life jackets. If you want to put a fish bag in there, you can. You'll have cushions on top of your igloo cooler and a backrest Scout embedded logo. As we start on the port side of the midship, underneath the helm, you'll see plenty of storage for your belongings, as well as the electrical system for easy access, the pre-wiring for the trolling motor. The other side of the midship will have rod holder storage. And then as we make our way to the helm, I'll show you what's next. So here located at the helm, we'll have a stainless steel grab rail, Mercury digital gauges, stainless steel toggle switches labeled with breakers underneath. You have your up and down controls for your Lenco trim tabs, and then the throttle, as well as the storage for your personal belongings. Here behind the helm, you'll notice twin captain seats, as well as seats here in both of the aft corners. There is an option to do a helm lounge that flips back and forth if you'd like. And we'll walk ourselves back to the back of the boat to see the 90 Merc, as well as those beautiful Lenco trim tabs and a place to board and get off the boat. Again, my name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax Stuart. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, you can reach us at marinemax.com or give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thank you.